Believe it or not, my girlfriend left me because of my snoring, and that was the wake-up call I needed that led me to Vital Sleep. I've been snoring like my whole life. I've tried a lot of mouth guards, a lot of different devices, and this is the first thing that's actually stopped it. This is what it looks like right here. It was super easy to get the mold to fit in my mouth. It fits perfectly, and you can see that meter on the side there. That's because it's adjustable for the bottom jaw, so it can fit literally anyone. Like I said, super comfortable. And night one, I had no more snoring. I woke up feeling like a new man, no joke. And listen, I know I personally had to lose some sleep to find it again, but if my snoring was loud enough to push me to find Vital Sleep, then it was worth the noise. So if you're struggling with snoring, if you're rocking the boat, even if you're sinking it, give Vital Sleep a try. It's the change that gave me back my nights, and honestly, it could have saved my relationship. Don't wait for the breakup. Get better sleep now.